Blessed love everybody. Thank you for tuning in for my opinion one more day. And I hope say everybody is safe. You understand me? Keep safe. Take down the mask and breathe. You understand me? Keep safe. Remember your health. Go take a walk. Go take a run. Go do something. Lock yourself up in the house. And get mental. Because a lot of people, this lockdown and this pandemic or pandemic, whatever you want to call it, is causing a lot of mental issues, isn't it? I said people getting crazy, people getting suicidal, and this is not good for us. Yeah, this is not good for us. And on that note, welcome to another edition, or edition, can I say edition? Yeah, I gotta say edition of my opinions. So people, we have a topic today, but I really, boy, I really don't know, because are we bored in this world? And I'm going to correct that. Are the persons at the top, are the rich folks, are the people in control, are in control of every other thing? Are they at a point where they're bored and they're looking for so much to do to say they're doing something which they're just causing more are more illusion, are more misguided? I don't know, because I don't want to make a joke of this, but it is a joke to me. You understand me? And the topic is, I saw this artist. I saw this article about this artist that sold not a singer and in draw. Yeah, he sold a painting for 18,000, 18 smackaroos. Good price for a painting, you know. Very, very good price for a painting. I would like to do a painting that I can sell for 18,000. But the funny thing about this painting, people, let me do it in a straight face. The funny thing about this painting, this was an invisible painting. So when I was reading, I was like, oh, that should be straight face, because I can't do it. Yo, when I read it, they're like, people, how can you do an invisible painting and sell it to someone, yeah, for 18,000 US or euros or pounds or Canadians or 18,000 anything, and someone bought it? Yeah, how are I, somebody please comment down below, tell me what you think about it. Would you buy an invisible painting for 18,000 euros, pounds, dollars, whatever it is? Would you buy a painting? Yeah. This is IRS. I think this is a scam. No, throw the scam in and all of what you call it now, the idea of someone really paid for this, yeah. But for example now, yeah, you're the one that bought this painting, or you know someone that bought this painting, invisible painting. So how did you really get to the point of buying this painting? You saw this artist, his artist is talented and he's doing so much stuff. And he's like, yeah, I have this idea. I have this new painting. And it took me so long to make, you know? It took me so, I put so much of my heart into it. It came from, you know, and you're like, yeah, let me see this painting. He like brought you in this room and like, there it is. At what point could he convince you that there's a painting there and you should pay for this painting and you should pay 18,000 whatever for that painting? What your thought process? What's that person's thought process when him buy that painting? Maybe just me an idiot, or maybe I'm an idiot. How you buy the painting now? Put that aside. You pay for the painting now. Because now when you go on auction, you know, whatever, you know, or a painting show, you pay for your painting and then deliver the painting. So how that deliver something for the painting go. You know? Like how the painting deliver. Or if you are gonna bring it guy your hand yourself, you're going to take it off of the wall. What size you take a painting off of the wall and you make space in your car, right? You put it somewhere. But I really want to know the man, the how he, after I'm pay for the painting, what him do, You know? How him bring it home. Or him get the truck man them to deliver the painting, because that painting that sound like a big nice painting when you need a nice part for your wall. You know what I mean? I say? You understand me? So this painting needs a nice part on your wall to end this a painting. $18,000, little bit of money for some people, but 18,000? You need a nice little plaque of wall in your house, Now, the delivery man are gonna deliver this now. And how them load it on the truck and make sure this not turn over and break up, And when them reach a location and unstrap it and all of them something, yeah. So when them a take out this painting out of the truck now bring it to the house, how it work? You know? How is this going to work, Uh, People, I'm taking it for a joke. When we see this, we're like, this is not a real life. I think we're bored. And when human beings get bored, they find everything else to do but help people. I was laughing just now, yes. But people that have 18,000 whatever to spend on an invisible painting. Look on it, pray it for a minute. 18,000 for an invisible painting. In a real life. You have people out there suffering. You have people out there don't have place to live. You have people don't have food to eat. Homeless, shelterless, whatever you want to call it. All of it less. And you're going to spend $18,000 upon a painting that you can't see. Yeah, some people are going to say your money so you can do whatever you want to do with it. But don't you see that we're focusing on the wrong stuff? The wrong things. In a real life, like, Jaja boy, for real, man, why are we focusing on, it's like, I am at a point now where it's like the people at the top are out of ideas, yeah, are detached from the whole humanity thing. They don't care about people. They don't like people. They rather to take up money and spend on a dog. They have more love for anything except humans. People, 18,000 on a painting that you cannot even see. How do you sell this book? Huh? How do you sell this book? People are spending millions to go to space. People are spending millions to go live under the water. People are spending millions doing so much weird stuff, yeah? But you have people on earth now, today, suffering. And you said the world not have no money, and you said the world poor, you said certain place poor. But these people have so much and doing so nothing with it. Yeah? Poverty is not real. Poverty is not real, bro. Poverty is not real. Because these stuff are insane. These stuff are too insane. I don't know, maybe I'm getting crazy. Maybe, because maybe this normal to you or anybody else will see that like, oh yes, I would buy this painting also. Yeah? I'm confused. I'm literally confused right at this point. After watching that and reading it, I was like, Jaja, humanity. Let me get back to what is important. human decency and fair wages, fair things, fairness. Do unto me as I will want you to do unto yourself, if that makes any sense. You know? Stop focusing. I see the next rich man say, man, go space. Space, billions. Go do what? What I'm just like, what you are going space gonna? If you could go space, what would you go space to go do? Why? For what? What? Like, seriously, what? How long are you going to spend there? How much are you going to spend to go there? What are you going to build to get there? If it's a real thing, anyway, right? But how? Tell me. There are people suffering right now, yeah? And 90% of the money we make, yeah, was made from causing suffering and people hard work them don't get paid for. Yeah? The money where you make come from the suffering of people, using people for them labor and don't give them the money they're supposed to get, and you get 90% of their wages and they get 10%, and you still take 5% out of it and leave them with 5. So it's like you take almost all of what they earn every month to make sure them stay in them place. Then you take this money and say, oh, we're not going to go this and that. People, when are we going to like break it, come back down to earth? Look on the values them where you have. Life necessary. What do you need to live? Like, what do you need to really live? Look at it like that. You need water, food, and a shelter. What else do you need? For any one individual, what do you need to live? Water, food, shelter. And if you can provide these 3 things, that's all you need to live, to survive until you get old or you die of some accident. No, 90% of everything that we have, we don't need today. 90% of what we have, we don't really need. You have a lot of people who have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars. You don't need it because you can't drive so much car. If you rent them, it's a different. But if you're one person who just have 10, 20, how much a car you want to have, you can't drive them car here. You know? It's just for have sake, we say, oh, I have them. You have them, yes, but what? What are you proving, bro? What you prove? Yeah, you have money. So what? Help somebody. Bring somebody else up. Help somebody. Not because it helps somebody is supposed to get back something from them. No. Help someone. Please, people, be more, come back down and do the right thing. Remember, I am not going to buy a painting for 18,000. An invisible painting. I don't know how am I going to transport it. And when I put it in my truck, I don't know how I will I will remember where in the truck I put it. I don't know where in the car I should go take this painting out. I don't know if I put it up in one place in my house. I don't know if it lean, if it crooked or whatever. I don't know how me I go put a nail on it. How me I go put up this. I don't know how to put up this painting. You know? People, stop it. Don't make these people continue to take us on idiots, man. Stop it. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. Invisible painting nickname. What do you think about it? Subscribe, like, share. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Facebook. And sub to the channel. You know. Leave a comment. And grab on yourself a merch. A Team Blue Entertainment merch. Grab on yourself something, man. You know, do the thing. Grab on yourself some nice shirt over there, some little sweaters over there. Do the thing. Support the team, support the dream. Next time, people, me out. But me here need to do down. Out.